Okay, trying to explain how this alignment works, mainly so that Randy can understand what I'm talking about here. This shaft has to come through the center of this because it goes into the center of this, and this is just really basic. I mean, this slips into a sleeve and a collar there, and it doesn't move. So basically you're aligning the pump, or I'm sorry, you're aligning the engine with the pump, not the other way around. You can't align something that's fixed. So this is a fixed point, the engine is what is aligned to this. And again, the carrier assembly has nothing to do with it. The carrier assembly will follow whatever alignment is made between the engine and the pump housing here. So now I'll explain how this works. Because it's a fixed point back there and it can't move, once you put that pump on there and you bolt it on there, it is where it is. So that means the only adjustment can be made up here. And as you can see, this coupler, whenever you've got the dampener and these couplers and they're pushed together, there's no play. I'm actually trying to move them and I can't. There's zero play. We're talking not even thousandths of an inch. None. No rotation, no up, no down, no side to side. So when you bolt the pump on, it's fixed. That end of the shaft can't be adjusted. If you loosen the carrier assembly, that just means you're able to align everything up here. The carrier assembly has nothing to do with alignment at all. It simply follows whatever alignment is achieved between the engine, the output shaft here, and the pump assembly, which is a fixed point. Now the reason this works is because the crankshaft has to follow the same alignment as the drive shaft, and these couplers here, the faces of them here up against the face, and the face of this one here is at a 90-degree angle to the shaft, which means these teeth here, if you check the gap in between these two and it's the same all the way around, that's alignment. There's just no way to argue that. That's alignment. If the gap is the same here and the same on the side and the same on this side and the same on the bottom, when the carrier assembly is loose and the pump assembly is bolted on and tight, then you're aligned. If by chance it's a little bit smaller up here than it is on the bottom, well, obviously the back of the engine needs to come up a little. If it's off on this side and not on this side, obviously the engine's out of skew. It needs to be twisted a little. The most important is the up and down, because that requires shims. Side to side, yeah,